Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Brinks doorknobs, and we are going to show you how to remove a Brinks doorknob that does not have actual accessible screws on the faceplate. In other words, you have a hidden screw somewhere. Let's take a look. Alright YouTubers, at the doorknob and deadbolt now, and let's attack the harder or more trickier of the two. Let's start with the doorknob. In most cases, the inner plate has two Phillips screws that secure this plate into place, and once you remove those two Phillips screws, you can pull this whole knob and plate off. However, you'll notice we do not have plate screws. We have little holes, and as you turn the knob, you will notice a little indent right in there. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but our clip is inside the knob, which is no big deal. What we are going to do, I have this very unique tool here. I'm going to insert the tip inside here, and there is a little tab that you just push up in this hole. It is going to compress. As you compress that little clip, you will pull this knob outward. All right, making progress, and I needed both hands to do that. However, again, I inserted this little tool inside that hole, and I turned the knob to a point where this little internal clip was actually centered with this portion here, and by compressing this clip, it allows you to pull the knob completely off. We'll set this in a safe location. Coming to the interior knob, and you will notice the faceplate actually has little clips that the plate secures to, and this is a tricky part because although the hole is here and you shift the knob to try to find the clip, it's not there. So you may have to undo the actual faceplate and rotate the faceplate to the opposite side or until you locate the clip. In our case, the actual faceplate was installed upside down, which is not that big of a deal. It was just secured on this clip as opposed to the lower clip. So we'll grab that same tool, insert it into this hole, compress the clip, pull the knob outward and off. And I needed both hands for the clip to be compressed, and I am pulling the entire piece up and off. I'll set that aside, and from here the faceplate can be removed, and we have now located our Phillips screws. They are inside the faceplate. Let's go ahead and grab our Phillips screwdriver and remove both these screws. And after removing both the Phillips screws, you can carefully pull the internal portion of the knob off the connection point here. Set that aside. Come to the exterior portion. This plate does not come off the actual part, so don't grab a Phillips screw or flathead screwdriver and start prying this and damaging the door. It does not come off. Remove this whole piece altogether and set that aside. Back to the door, you will grab your Phillips screwdriver, remove the upper and lower Phillips screw. And once you get both Phillips screws out, you can carefully remove the entire inner mechanism, set that in a safe location by the additional parts, and that completes the steps of the removal process of your doorknob. That's it, YouTubers. See a quick, friendly DIY project. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Hey, thanks again for watching. And hey, at the end of this video, you will see links to additional videos that we show you the step-by-step process on how to install brand new doorknobs and a brand new deadbolt. Definitely check those out. We'll see you at the next video.